We think we have a wheel bearing or possibly a rear end noise going on with this 2014 Ram 1500. I'm going to do a test to determine if it's the wheel bearing. There's definitely a sound coming from the bearing. Listen to that sound. It's right there behind this brake rotor. Let's try the other side and confirm whether or not we hear it on the other side. Though we didn't take the wheel off, all I hear are the brake pads rubbing ever so slightly on the rotor, which is what you would expect. We suspect it's the wheel bearing, which means we're going to have to take the axle out to change the wheel bearing, which is not fun, but it's a lot more fun than having to replace a rear end or possibly a transmission.